All right, so I'm going to do a software update on a couple of my iPhones. I've already got this one set to the iOS 16, so we're going to do both of them at the same time. But I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go over to the settings. Of course, I got to find them. Go to settings, I'm going to go down to general. I'm going to go to software update, and I'm going to wait for it to come through. And cha-ching. And you notice down here, you see this right here? That's what I want to do. So I'm going to hit that. And of course, they're going to want me to, read all that stuff, learn more. I'm just going to go ahead and hit download and install. Bam. And now I got to put my code in there. You guys don't get to see it. I'm going to block that out. And I'm going to hit install. Oh, it's already installing. So we just got to let it do its thing. Oh, yeah, you got to agree. Like I'm going to read all that. I'm agreeing. I agree. Okay. So now if you look here, it says update requested. So that's going to take a while. And so it takes, I don't know how long it's going to take. It takes, I think it took me 45 minutes to download the software the other day. And so while we're doing that one, I'm just going to go ahead and do this one too. Check it out. I'm going to click it here. I'm going to go to download and install. Oh, see, look, 22 minutes here. See, 22 minutes. It's 2.8 gigabytes, right? So this one here, it's not giving me the, not letting me install it. I don't know why. All right, so we're just going to let that do its thing. That's got to go all the way through there. You can see it says 38 minutes. So that's a long time. I'm going to keep trying to install this one. Now this right here, this phone right here, is an iPhone 10. So it may not allow me to install this. I'm not sure, but we'll see. All right, so we're down to 26 minutes. I mean, it says, it says like it's more than what it should be, but we'll just see how it goes. I sped up this section 4,315 times. That's how long I was waiting for this thing to load up. So be prepared when you do this. Hope you don't have to use your phone. All right, so now it's gotten through that whole shenanigans and it's starting to prepare the update. So now we got to wait for that. As you can see, we've got about an inch there until it gets it. And I'm going to come back to that. All right, software update. Install now. Bam. Look at, now we've got to go through it all over again. Just insane. Verifying update. So look right here. You see how the numbers are? When this is updated, you're going to see a big change. It's crazy. You see that little spinner dinner? Oh, there it is. There's the apple of death. You can see, look, I mean, in 2 minutes, it hasn't gone anywhere. So, look at this. So let's go ahead and turn this off for now. We'll come back to it. All right, it looks like we may be there because I turned my head and it went, boom. So let's see what happens. Oh, it's coming back, look. I guess we're going to go through it one more time. Kind of hoping this goes a little bit faster. We'll see. It seems to be moving quickly right now. Let's see if we can get a full run on this, and then we'll speed it up. Oh, look at, bam, we're in. We are there. So let's go ahead, and we're going to pull back a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Let's go ahead and push this up. I got to put in my thing. I'm not going to let you guys see that. And we're going to continue. 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 Don't share. Getting started. All right, we're in. Done. All right, this one is updated. That's all you have to do. Wait like an hour to get it done. This guy's still working on it. That one's done. This phone that I'm shooting it with is done. My iPad's done. And now I got to do the computer.